All right, here we go. Shh, let's go here, please. Okay. We still got lots, guys. Hello. Here we go. Thank you. Okay, so let's get going on this one here. I want to show a faster way to graph here. That's sort of the idea. I'm going to find my lesson here. So what we're going to do. Yeah, this is going to be our new unit. If you want a title for this unit, we're going to call this completing the square. And quadratic formula. That's what our title is going to be. Okay, which is a big thing here. So if you remember, you guys can please do this. Guys, go back. No, please just stay with me. Well, this unit is a little addition because I was going to take the first half of this unit and put it at the last unit, then take the last half and put it in the next. But this unit was starting to get really big. Okay, so I wanted to sort of chunk it off there and just do factoring. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of different type of graphing here right now. So we've done lots of these. Okay, we've done lots of this table of value stuff. Can somebody give me a recap on how to set up the table of values for what we do? Yeah, go ahead, Billy. Yeah. Good. So I'm just going to do that as y equals -3 squared. Okay, now please be careful when you're doing that on the calculator. What's -3 squared equal to, please?
9.
Positive 9. Positive 9, not -9. Now, if you, hold on a second. Okay, I can't deal with this, okay? Please don't. Right? So if we, where that came from was, remember, two negatives make a positive, right? So -3 times -3 is going to give you 9. All right? Same thing then, I'll just fill in the rest of the table here, okay? So hopefully you guys can do all that. And hopefully you guys got the same numbers as me. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'll plot all my points here. What I do for the points column, you're taking this down, right? So what you're doing for the points column here is you're just placing the x and the y. And we're going to graph this here in a minute. Okay, you can find the second difference too, but the first difference is what we're actually going to use to solve this question here. Okay, the first difference will make our lives easier when we're graphing this stuff momentarily. So, can someone please recall how we find the first difference, please? Okay, go ahead.
4 subtract 9.
Great. So 4 subtract 9, so that should hopefully be -5. That should hopefully be -3. That should hopefully be -1. That should hopefully be 1. That should be 3. Okay, that 135 is what I'm looking for. So it goes 135, -1, -3, -5. Are we all sort of okay on what just happened there? Yes? Okay, I'm going to graph this quickly, and I want to use the graph and show you how we're going to make our lives easier here. Let's see how we do. Okay, so I'm going to move ahead here and we'll get this graphed up. There will be graphing today's lesson, Luke, and everyone else doesn't like graphing, so too bad. I love graphing. Good, I'm glad. Good, I'm glad. Okay, so if you get all the way up to 9, so leave yourself enough room. There are no negatives, so I'm going to go near the bottom of the page. Just as a recap, okay guys, you're really chatty, so yeah, I want to get through this, please, okay? Just as we go through here, remember to put your arrows on and label the numbers and all that stuff. Okay, now we don't, just so you know guys, you don't have to go all the way up to 16, I just happen to, so I have enough room on my page. What's the highest value I should go to? Yeah, 9, okay. Alright, so I'm going to plot these points here, if I can. So I'm going to do -3, 9, which is going to be here someplace. -2, 4, which is going to be here someplace. negative 1 comma 1, which is going to be there someplace. 0 and 0 is going to be there. 1 and 1 is going to be there. 2 and 4 is going to be there. And 3 and 9 is going to be there. Let's just say I had enough room, which I tend to. What's the next point to the right going to be? Go ahead. Oh, oh it's okay. How'd you get 16? Yeah, 4 times 4. So I'm going to put it in here so I'm not going to my paper here, okay? If you guys don't. Now, if you're somebody who's not copied this down, please make sure you get the graph for this because I'm using the graph to begin teaching a lesson here, okay? So I'm going to show you a few things here on this graph. Oh, goodness. Yeah. Oh, goodness. There's a beautiful problem. Okay, are we feeling sort of good about what just happened there for the graph? Okay, because we're going to be using this graph here right now to hopefully do this. So if you didn't get up to the 16, that's okay. I just need up to the 9. Nick, we're good? It's all coming back, I hope? Okay. We're going to do here what's called the step pattern. I'll say his lesson is called. Okay, vertex form and the step pattern is what our lesson's called. And I need this diagram to sort of help me explain things. Yeah, this is unit 3. Okay, this is another way to graph parabolas. Okay. Now, what we're going to do here is, actually, should we do the vertex form? Okay, we'll do the vertex form. Vertex form is y equals a x minus h squared plus k, where h and k is the vertex, and if a is greater than 0, it opens up, and if a is less than 0, it opens down. Okay, there's one funny thing that I wrote on the board there. And not funny like my acting skills in front of the school, okay? That was awful, I'm sorry, I apologize. Next time I have someone to say that, I'm going to send two people from this classroom, not to say it. Thank you. All right. What's something that looks funny with that equation? Can somebody tell me anything that looks funny about it to you? Squared? Yeah, maybe. Okay. I was hoping somebody would say the minus h. That's what I was hoping someone would say, okay? Now, the reason for that is, right, minus h is in the equation, so h is actually a vertex, so it's going to be opposite, all right? Now, so what we're going to do is, if the equation is in vertex form, you can find your vertex and then sort of spread the equation from there. Now, when Calvin was here dropping off his food in the morning, he said to me, yeah, Mr. Sadler, here the vertex is 0, 0. Great. Okay, wonderful. Okay, and then the x-intercept and the y-intercept. The vertex is the key point to starting this graph, and then we're going to use our a value to find the subsequent points on left and right. We'll show you how to do that momentarily. So I'm going to do a few examples here to make sure life is good, then we'll come back to that picture. Example 1. State the vertex and which way it's open. Okay, so a is going to be y equals 3, x minus 2 squared plus 4. So we'll do the first one as a class, and then we'll get you guys to try here. Okay. So it says y equals 3, x minus 2 squared plus 4. Can I get someone to be brave and try and tell me what the vertex is going to be? Now, you need self-confidence here. You guys can do this. Somebody whisper it? Yeah. Did you say it? Who whispered it? Somebody whispered it.
How do you know if there's no x?
Well, okay, just look back to what we're doing here, right? So you're just going to line up the numbers here. The x inside the brackets is always going to be, you want to try?
Is it negative 2 and 4?
Close. Okay, I meant to say, I'm sorry, let's work together. So he said negative 2 and 4, and Caleb was very, very close. Okay, he's incorrect though, okay? If you take a look here, minus h in the brackets turns to be positive h in your vertex. So the answer here is just going to be positive 2, 4. That's going to be what your vertex is. Okay? Does everyone understand where you got that from? So on this like the fundamental thing of today's lesson, getting this part. So all we did here is right, like the vertex is h comma k, right? So my h here is going to be 2 because it's a -2 in the bracket. The x value switches. Your k is 4. It's going to be y value there. Yeah.
It's not going to be a minus in the bracket.
No, it will be a plus, and the next one will be a plus. And we'll show you how that works. Yes. Okay. Will this problem open upwards or downwards? How do we know? Look at this. Go ahead. Keep going.
Upwards.
Very good. Okay. And the reason for that is because a equals 3, which is positive. Okay? The number in front of the brackets is going to be positive, so the parabola is going to be positive. I'm going to do this. You guys are far too mature for this. So go with me. This is a positive parabola. Look how happy it looks. This is a sad parabola. Look how sad it looks. Okay? And you guys are far too mature for that, okay, right? But if a is positive, though, it's going to be happy, right? So it's moving upwards like that. If a is negative, it's going to be sad. So downwards over there. Just so you guys know, the very last question is like back for something enormous on the last page. That's turned into a bonus. Okay, so it's not the one mark bonus. Okay, so here we go. Let's try one more. I want you guys to try this in your seats. Okay, because this is a fundamental thing that we're doing today. So we're going to say y equals -2 x plus 5 squared -8. Okay, so Caleb did a wonderful job being brave. Okay, I'm going to hit pause on the video, and when the video stops, everyone's going to hopefully have their hand raised.